rest because this is okay. Okay? After that, what you will do? We will do moving from outside
to inside.
You will do like this, huh? Like this, from outside to inside. Okay? But for the urine and vomit, not allowed to use this material.
Yes.
Because we do chemical reaction and disable smells. Okay? Like, what we will use? We will use the towels. We have disinfectant towels. Okay? We can use it for hot, but not allowed to use this materials. Okay?
Yes.
Now you finish. How you will remove the BPs?
Dai, doon ka na, Dai. PPE.
Gloves to gloves.
Facial. Hygiene. May pang-content na ako.
Content mo ako.
Taraw nga, taraw nga. Okay.
After that,
Facial.
after facial,
Gown.
okay, you should do
Hygiene first.
Could you do hand hygiene?
Alam na magaspang ang mga palad ah. Natunog eh.
Okay, very good. And after that,
Gown.
gown. Okay.
Sa likod.
Not allowed to touch the front because it's contaminated.
Yes.
You will remove the ties, okay? And fasten the ties. And you should take into consideration,
Inside.
you will build the gown far away from the neck and shoulder.
Yes.
And you will roll the gown like a ball. And you will remove inside. If contaminated inside, they will back, okay? After that, hand hygiene. Hand hygiene, do hand hygiene. Okay?
Ayaw magsasagot nito, te.
After hand hygiene, you remove the mask. Very good. We will do hand hygiene again, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You must protect this hand. You must protect this hand, sir. But not be done.
We will put all the...
Garbage. Meron pa ako dun, te. Te, meron pa dun sa gilid, te. Ha?